All right, this is a help video for the constructed response number 3. So take a look. There are basically two different types of problems. I've got 3 examples here to work for you, and so just want to make sure that you guys understand. So first you want to identify the relationship of the angles. There is a file that will help you do that. These two are alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are congruent to one another. So we can set up an equation that says 2x, and so this angle here is equal to this angle. So we simply put them equal to each other, and then you can simply solve for x. Divide both sides by 2, so if I divide that by 2, x is equal to 60. And then you can always check yourself, remember, by plugging in. 2 times 60 is going to give me 120. And so, yes, those two angles are equal. The next type of problem you'll have will be these that are same side interior. Now, same side interior angles are not equal to each other. They are supplementary, and remember, supplementary means they add to 180. So this problem you want to set up as you want to add the angles together rather than setting them equal to each other. So if we add them together, and then we're going to set those equal to 180 because same side interior are supplementary. Now you want to just solve for x. Combine your like terms. I've got 2x and 3x is going to give me 5x. Plus 20 is equal to 180. I'm going to subtract 20 from both sides because I want my variables, my x on one side by itself. X is equal to 160. And then you're going to divide both sides by 5. So divide that by 5, divide that by 5 because we need our x by itself. And so x 160 divided by 5 gives me 32. Now the next problem I just wanted to show you, number 3 is very similar to this. And so these are alternate interior angles, and they're equal to one another. So this sign means that this angle is 90 degrees. So all you have to do is set 2x plus 50 is equal to 90 degrees because all 4 of these angles are actually right angles. So they equal 90. And then we're going to solve for x. So 2x, I'm going to subtract 50 from both sides. So 2x is equal to 40. I'll divide both sides by 2. 2x, divide by 2 here. X is equal to 20. And then you can simply plug it back in. 2 times 20 gives you 40. 40 plus 50 gives you 90. All right, hope that helps. If you missed it the first time, you can resubmit for some more points. Good luck.